Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix the DX12 error in Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay? Now, unfortunately, a lot of you are getting this error that you can see on the title, okay? And what I want to show you today is different methods that you can try, okay? As usual, there's no one size fits all method, okay? You're going to have to try different things until you get the right solution, all right? So usually this error occurs because of a couple of reasons actually. First of all, it might be because your GPU is under a lot of stress, okay, and it just kind of sets down with this error. And also it can be because your DirectX 12 version is not up to date, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to tell you to do is I need to go to this Windows bar here, to the search bar, and I want you to actually type DX here, okay, in this Windows search bar, okay, and I want you to just type enter or to click on enter, and you're gonna run a test to see if your DirectX version is at up to date, okay. So in this search bar, just type DX, okay. Now the second thing that I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you have the latest drivers installed in your NVIDIA panel or your AMD panel. Okay, so make sure that you have this latest driver, which is for NVIDIA is 572.83, okay, which was released just before the Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay, for these games. So yeah, make sure that you have those drivers, okay. Now, another thing that I want you to try is I want you to go to settings and I want you to disable NVIDIA overlay, okay? I want you to completely disable this, okay? Or your equivalent in AMD, okay? Just make sure that you don't have any overlay in the game, okay? So disable every single overlay, okay? And you can do the same even for Steam or for any other background app, okay? Just shut down everything besides the game, okay? Now, another thing that you can try is if your GPU is, for example, overclock, okay, you have to disable that overclock, okay, and you're going to do this by, in the case of NVIDIA panel, you have to go to performance and you have to disable this automatic tuning, okay. You might also have an overclock by your BIOS, okay, so make sure to disable that as well, okay, so no overclock, okay, that's what you're looking for. Now, inside of the Assassin's Creed Shadows, what I want you to do is I want you to turn off frame generation, okay, which is something that we cover in another tutorial, but you must turn off switch frame generation, okay, because this is going to actually, overclock or overpower your GPU, okay, and it might give you this error, okay, so just turn that off, okay, turn off frame generation, okay, and with these steps, you should be able to fix this, okay, but let me know how you do, okay. Thank you so much, guys.